Okay, beta. So today we are going to discuss about these three different topics, that the length, the first one is length, and then mass, and then capacity. Okay, we are going to discuss these concepts in this particular chapter. Okay, but one by one we are going to explain each and every concept. The first one is length. Okay, means you have to check the length of any particular object. Okay, you have to check length. If suppose the length is short, so we are going to use something different units, and suppose the length is bigger, so we can use the something different units. Okay, beta. So we will discuss in deeply that what unit, where we are going to use that unit, and how we are going to use that unit, and how we are going to convert the smaller unit into the bigger unit, and the bigger unit into the smaller unit. Okay, but here you have to understand only this thing, that we have to measure the length in this first concept. Okay, and here the second one is mass. Mass means simply we can say the weight of an object. Weight, we have to find out the weight. Okay, how heavier this particular object is, we have to find out. Okay, heavy objects and the light objects we can take in this particular parts. Okay, and the next one is capacity. Next one is capacity, and the meaning of the capacity is that we have to find out the weight of the liquid objects. Weight of the liquid objects, like milk. Suppose we are going to find out the weight of 1 glass milk. Milk is a liquid product now, so we can use this particular word here, capacity. It means we are going to find out the capacity of the milk. It is clear, Arjun? It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so simply we can say mass. Mass means the weight of the solids, we can say weight of the solids, and the capacity means weight for the liquids. Liquids ka weight. Okay, so first of all, ma'am is going to draw something for you. Okay, first of all, ma'am is going to draw first line I have drawn here. It is clear, it is visible? Ji beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arjun, I hope this first line is clear to you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here ma'am is going to draw one more line. I hope it is also clear to you.
Yes.
Okay, and the third one more line ma'am is going to draw for you. I hope it is clear. Nazar aa rahe honge sabko. ठीक है ना? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So here, first line denotes length. Okay, side by side ma'am is going to write down the different purpose of these lines. So here the first one is
Length.
length. First line is for length. The second line is for mass, means we can say the weight of the solids. Okay, and the third one is for capacity.
Capacity.
It is clear? It is
Yes.
clear? The next one is for capacity. Okay, and capacity means weight for
Liquid.
liquids. Very nice. Shaurya Gehlot, keep your camera on. Shaurya Gehlot. Arjun, now you can mute, bache. Now you can mute, and Shaurya, keep your camera on. Yes, Shaurya, unmute yourself. Yes. So here, with the help of this particular lines, we are going to understand the different units. We are going to understand the different units. Okay, so first of all, ma'am is going to draw the first unit of all the different concepts. The first one here is, the first one here is, and the first one here is. The base, the unit will be same instead of the standard unit. Okay, so here's first of all we are going to write. But that is not the part. We are going to take only the units that are in the part. Okay, so first of all, we are going to take here this one also, first, second, and third. So beta, as these are in the centers, so that's why it is known as the basic unit, or we can say the standard units. In detail we are going to discuss, but here we are going to write down the 3 different units of each category. Okay, first, second, third, from length, first, second, third from mass, and first, second, third for capacity. Okay, so here first of all we are going to discuss about the standard unit, or we can say the basic unit.
Basic unit.
Standard unit, or we can say basic unit of length. So here we are going to use one word, that is m. M denotes for meter. M denotes
Meter.
for meter.
Meter.
It is clear? So meter is
Yes.
the standard, or we can say the basic unit of
Basic
length.
unit.
Clear?
Clear.
Similarly, in the case of mass, we are going to take this word G.
Gram.
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 Okay. Yes.
G
Okay.
means gram.
G means gram. So gram is the standard unit of mass.
Mass.
Clear? And the third one is capacity. So here we can take L. L means
L. Liter.
L means
Liter.
liter. Yes. L means liter. So liter is the standard unit of capacity. It is clear? Standard unit of
Clear.
capacity. Okay. So if we are talking about the highest unit, because this is this standard unit, meter, gram,
Yes.
and liter. These are the standard units. Here we are going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
discuss about the smallest unit, highest units. Okay. So we can write here kilometer.
Kilometer.
Kilometer is the
Kilometer.
highest unit of length. Always
Yes,
remember
ma'am.
this thing. Kilogram is the highest unit of
Kilogram.
mass. Okay.
Yes,
and
ma'am. Kilogram.
and kiloliter is the highest unit
Yes.
of capacity. I hope it is clear.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. And similarly, we are going to discuss about the smallest units. Smallest units also. So suppose we are going to take here mm, means millimeter.
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 Millimeter is the smallest unit of
Smallest
length.
unit of length.
Clear? And
Clear, ma'am.
and then we can take milligram.
Milligram.
Milligram is the
Milligram.
Milligram is the
Small-
smallest unit of.
Smallest unit of mass.
Very nice. Okay. And similarly, we can take the ml. Ml means smallest unit
Milliliter.
of
Capacity.
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 We can take. Yes, we can take smallest unit of capacity. Okay. So here, one more unit we are going to take here. Okay. Only one unit we are going to take here. These units we are going to discuss, and along with one more unit that we are going to take here. This one here. Here we are going to take one unit, not exactly in between, towards the millimeter. Okay, one unit. So here we are going to write down in as cm, that is for centimeter. Okay, beta. Second unit.
Yes.
Okay, so here we are going to discuss about the relationship between these units. So first of all, we must understand that this is the highest units. K means kilo, and whether we are using K means kilo, so it means this is the highest unit. Whether it is a kilometer, it is kilogram, or it is kiloliter, but all of these are the highest units. Okay, and similarly, if we are
Okay.
talking about the milli word, milli, that can be millimeter, milligram, and milliliter. All these are smallest units. Okay, and
Yes.
so thus what we can conclude here, suppose when we are going to move towards, from left to right, okay,
Right.
left to right. Okay, so we can say that we are moving from bigger unit to the smaller unit. Always remember this thing, because left hand side is the bigger unit. Yes or no? And
Yes.
right hand sides are
Yes,
the
ma'am.
smaller units. So if we are moving, or we are converting, or we are moving from left hand side to the right hand side, it means we are converting the units
Bigger.
from bigger to smaller ones.
Smaller.
Okay. And if we are doing the opposite of it, yes,
Length.
yes,
Biggest unit is kilometer and smallest unit is millimeter. And
yes.
we-
But ma'am is
we
asking here, when we move from right to left with the help of
We
this
can-
blue color line. Yes.
We
It
can say bigger unit to smaller unit.
No. What we can say? when we are moving from right hand side to left hand side? Yes, Vidya.
Smaller unit.
Yes.
Per unit.
Yes, it means we are converting the units, or we are moving from smaller units to the higher units. It is clear?
Smaller.
It is clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes.
Clear,
So
ma'am.
always remember here, when we are moving from the highest to smallest, bigger to smallest, okay? Or simply we can say if we are using big to small concept, मतलब bigger to smaller. Okay, which one? Big to small.
Okay.
अगर आप convert कर रहे हो big to small, BTS, it means what?
Big to small.
Yes, bigger unit to smaller unit. So we are going to do what?
Multiply.
Multiply. Very nice. Okay. Similarly, if we are moving from right hand side to left hand side, right hand side to
We
left hand
can
side. Yes.
we can use divide.
Divide, and this concept can be termed as small to big.
STB.
STB means
Smaller unit to bigger. STB means smaller unit to bigger unit.
yes. So here we can use the division option. It is clear? यहाँ तक clear हो गया सब
Clear.
कुछ? Very nice.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
nice. So here we are going to go through all these concepts once again with the help of one more child. Okay. So you
I can mute myself,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, beta,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
can mute. Divyansh, can
Thank
you
you, ma'am.
repeat? Can you repeat the whole? Can you repeat? Total, how many concepts we are discussed here? Yes. Quickly give me the answers. Total, how many
Ma'am.
concepts?
Ma'am, 3 concepts.
Which one? Can you name them? Quickly.
Length, weight,
Yes.
and capacity.
Length, weight, and capacity. We can use this particular word also, mass. Okay, mass means the weight. And can you tell me what is the meaning of mass? Exactly what is the meaning of mass? Weight of what?
Ma'am, weight.
Of weight of water you can have here. Weight of water you can have here.
Ma'am, weight of milk.
Weight of milk. In case of mass, you can take. Yes, quickly tell me. Okay, Dhanvi, you are going to explain. Yes, mass means what? Yes,
Ma'am, mass is solid.
exactly, exactly. Means weight for the solids. Divyansh, it is clear? Mass means weight for
Okay,
the
ma'am.
solid. You can have here
Solids.
example of apples also. You can have the example of
Apple.
of what? Apple.
Apple.
Yes, very good. Means solid things you can have in
Ma'am.
the case of mass. But in case of capacity, yes,
Ma'am, liter.
capacity, liter is the unit, beta, but here ma'am is going to ask that what is capacity?
Liquids.
Weight of the liquids. Weight of the liquids we can say. Okay. So beta, here we have discussed few units like highest units we have discussed, smallest units we have discussed, and the standard unit or the basic units we have discussed about these 3 concepts. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell me here ma'am is going, beta you can mute, and here Anant Jan will give me the answer. Anant, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Shraddhanjali, sit properly. Shraddhanjali, sit properly. Don't move here and there. Sit properly. Very good. Okay, Anant, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me
Ma'am.
the highest unit of length, mass, and capacity all? The highest unit.
Kilometer,
Yes.
kilogram,
Yes.
and kiloliter.
Very nice. So now you can mute. Ishika Dhingra, quickly unmute. Ishika, quickly unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the smallest unit of mass? Mass only.
Smallest. Ma'am, the smallest unit of mass is kilogram.
Are Ishika, recheck your answer quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Smallest unit. Ma'am is not asking about the highest unit or the standard unit. Ma'am is asking for smallest unit.
Smallest unit.
Yes. Harshita, keep your
Gram.
camera on. What?
Gram.
Ishika, it means you were not listening to ma'am. It means you were not listening to ma'am. That's very, what I can say. Beta, please be disciplined in the class. Charvi, can you give me the answer? Yes, Charvi. Quickly unmute yourself. Yes. Yes. Charvi, is it possible? Try to unmute. By the time ma'am is going to take Ashna. Ashna, you are going to give me the answer this time. Ready, Ashna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ashna, a smallest unit of mass.
Ma'am, milligram.
Milligram. So Ishika, now it is clear. Ishika,
Yes, ma'am.
the smallest unit of mass is
Milligram.
milligram. And now can you tell me the smallest unit of length?
Smallest unit of length.
Yes,
Smallest unit of length is millimeter.
exactly. And the smallest unit of capacity also.
Smallest unit of capacity is milliliter.
Liter. Very good. Hirday, keep your camera on quickly. Hirday, quickly keep your camera on. Okay, Ishika, now you cleared the point. Okay, so now one more unit we have discussed here, that is cm, that is centimeter. Okay, and here we are going to discuss about the relationship between these units. Yes, beta, you can. Yes, you can. So here simple concept you are going to learn, that when we are going to move from the higher unit to the smaller unit, we are going to do what? Anvi, you will tell me. Ready, Anvi? When we are going to convert the units from the bigger one to the smaller one, what we are going to do? Anvi, quickly unmute, bache.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I can unmute.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me fast.
मैम आपकी थोड़ी सी आवाज कट गई थी इसलिए हम सुन नहीं पाए.
Beta, when we are going to convert the bigger unit into the smaller unit, what we do? What operation we are going to do
Ma'am,
here?
multiply.
Exactly. And when we are going to convert the bigger unit into the smaller unit, what we are going to do here? Bigger, smaller unit.
Smaller to bigger is
Divide. We are going to
divide.
do the divide. Okay. So here ma'am is going to give a few formulas to you. We are going to give few formulas to you, but आपको क्या सोचना है that what we are going to do? Big to small we are going to do, or small to big? Okay, to do the multiplication or to do the division. Clear? It is clear? So here simple formulas ma'am is going to give you. Suppose here the first formula is 1 meter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and we all know this. Yes. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
when we are going to convert the meter into centimeter, we all know that meter is the larger unit in comparison to centimeter. Yes or no?
Yes,
So when we are going to convert the meter into centimeter, we are going to multiply. Simple. Always remember. And multiply by what?
Yes,
Multiply by 100.
100.
It is clear. Okay. Now suppose when we are going to convert, here we must understand that 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Can you tell me how many meters? Yes.
100 meters.
No, not 100. Not 100. It is 1000 meter. That's why I have written the formulas here. You have to learn. You have to learn all these formulas. It is clear? 1 kilometer is equals to 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Meters. Okay. And one more formula here is one more formula here is 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equals to, yes, 1 kilogram is equal to
1000 grams.
1000 gram. Very nice. Okay, very nice. Okay, and similarly 1 liter. 1 liter is equals to what? Yes.
1 liter is equals to
1000 what?
1 kiloliter.
Not 1 kiloliter. No, not 1 kiloliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, beta, you always remember these formulas. Only 4 formulas you are going to learn, and you can solve each and every question. Each and every question you can solve. You have to learn only these 4 formulas. It is clear? It is clear? In these 3 formulas, like 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 kilogram 1000 gram, 1 liter 1000 milliliter. Means in all the cases 1000 unit will be there, but only in the first case 1 meter is equal to only 100 centimeter, not 1000. Okay, you must be clear it. Okay, bache?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So in the next class we will discuss that how we are actually converting the bigger unit into the smaller unit and the smaller unit into the bigger unit. But here you have to learn this thing also before starting the questions. Okay, that is small to big. If we are using the concept small to big, okay, so we are going to do the divide. Very good, very good. Divide, and when we are going to do the big to small, so we are going to do,
We are doing to multiply.
multiply. Very nice. Only these concept and these formulas you have to learn to complete your this chapter. We can easily solve all the questions of this chapter. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Okay, beta.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
now ma'am is going to end today's class as the time is over. So you all are going to learn these formulas and the concept. Okay, beta. God bless you, bache. God bless you.